and the taste gets better overnight. So it's done, all the oil is on top. So let us see what went into making our chicken vindaloo. For first we have the chicken which was cut. We add salt to it, we have turmeric which we are going to mix. We need to mix it and leave it at least for half an hour. Okay, let us see the spices that we need to grind for the paste, for the curry paste. We have half a cup, a little more than half a cup of vinegar, white vinegar. We have a teaspoon of cumin. We have 4 dates whole which will de-seed. We have around 10 to 12 cashew nuts. We have a pod of garlic. We have 10 red Kashmiri chillies. We have a piece of ginger. All this is going to be ground to a fine paste. So this is the second step. So the third for the tempering is the onions and tomatoes. We have 3 each. Let's begin with grinding our curry paste. So these are the onions, the 3 onions and the 3 tomatoes which I have chopped. I'm further going to put it in my electric chopper and chop it fine. Alright, our cooking pot is hot. We are going to add a little bit of ghee. Tastes better with ghee. We're also going to add a little bit of oil. A tablespoon and a half. To that we are going to add a finely chopped onion. Wait for these to turn golden, almost golden brown, and then we'll add a finely chopped tomatoes. That's how our onions are looking after almost 10 minutes. Because on a medium flame. This will add a finely chopped tomato, and this time we will also add teaspoon of salt, we have increased the flame to high. We have given this a mix. Let's cover it and come back in 5 minutes. Alright, it's more than 10 minutes and water from the tomato has completely evaporated. You can see a little oil at the bottom. It's now time for us to add the ground masala. That's masala or curry paste. Let's add it. We will rinse this jar with half a cup of water, but we'll use it later. Right now let's give this a mix. And we need to cook this at least for 15 minutes. Slow fire and occasionally mix it so it's not stuck to the bottom. And when we see the oil separating from the curry paste, that's the time we will add our chicken. It's 5 minutes and already oil has started to leave the sides and from the masala. Let me bring it close up if I can. And it's just sliding away, so that's what you want. You want to see all that oil separating. So another 5 minutes, we'll be ready to add our chicken to the gravy. add a chicken. See that masala is done. Let it fry for 5 minutes at least, or slightly more, and only then we'll add the remaining masala, which is mixed with water and the mixie jar. So this has gone cold, so we'll leave it here covered for a minute. You can see the oil separated. Now that 5 minutes. Now time to add the remaining mixture of the mixie. Cool off again now because of the cold water. Okay. So now we're going to cook it for 15 minutes on very low flame. Before that, we let it cook for 1 minute on high flame. That's more than a minute. It's come to a boil, which means it's hot all over. So now we will shut off this flame and transfer it to a smaller flame and cook it for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. So that's my very low flame. This is high, this is low. Bring it to low. So we got it on gas. Flame is low, it's already boiling. We'll cover it and I'll open it after 2 minutes. Let's check it out. So let's see a little bit of oil. That's what we have. Just appearing slowly, which means we need to cook it further. Before that, we again give it for the first part. You can, if you wish, garnish it with coriander, fresh green coriander.
But this is the basic. Garnish is extra. There is no change to the flavor these masalas have. So we leave it covered for another 2 minutes, and then it is ready to be served with some nice hot rice.
Let's check it out again. It's done, all the oil is on top. And we will have this tomorrow. This is going to stay in this curry. And the taste gets better overnight. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Out the plating and the serving and the eating. Alright, so we have plated our dinner plate. We have the chicken vindalo, we have some rice, and we have a little bit of salad. So let's taste and check how it's turned out.